My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Hello, bodacious babes. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box for the month of June. So, if you are interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss any more uploads like this. Alright. Allure beauty box is $15 a month. I said like 5 months ago I was going to cancel it, but this is why I haven't canceled it. You have to actually call them. I have like phone anxiety. So anyways, they give you a little pamphlet and let's get into it. So Brighter Days is the theme, and the first product is at the bottom. Oh, okay. It is this Star Skin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. What? So you break open the oil and put it on your face, and then you put the sheet mask on. That's really cool. And it's brightening. I love anything that says it's brightening, because I need to be any lighter than I already am. Price is $10. So, wow, that's really freaking cool. I'm excited to try that, actually. And I'm usually not a big fan of sheet masks. I am a fan of innovative products, though. The next product is this Belief the True Cream Aqua Balm Aloe Vera. Now, I've tried the original Aqua Balm. I love it. So, probably love this too. It just has aloe in it. I guess, I'm assuming that that's the only difference. An update on the brand's super popular Aqua Balm Gel Cream. Their original beloved hydrator is still available, but this new version ups the ante with aloe extract. Okay, so full size is $38. This is small amount, 0.33 ounces. It looks like good stuff. I love their eye cream, so good. All right, next we have this Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. I love lip oils. I'm so excited. It says, Yensa, okay, this oil has a hot pink tint that perks up your complexion, but the color is sheer. It's closer to a popsicle stain than a gloss, and it quickly dries down to a thin layer on lips. Alright, its price is $28. Ooh. Should I just add some? Why not? Ooh, it's like on the creamier side of an oil, which I really like. Ooh, I'm so excited about that. All right, next is, say what now? Is this Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. The gloss gel strips have lots of shine and long-lasting designs, and they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match a strip size to each nail. Wears just like salon gel. It says lasts up to 14 days. So, I think I've tried something similar to this once before, but I honestly don't remember how it turned out. I like that. Ooh, it like this is a pretty cool design. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty cool. As long as it works, but that's really awesome because I can't wear acrylic or any type of fake nail at work, so that would be great. I only wear them on my days off because that's the only time I can. So price is $9. Oh wow. Alright. Alright. Next we have Pur Lisse Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. What? Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies and energizes. All skin types. This is 3.4 ounces. This is a big boy. So it says it's infused with white tea and whole oat to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. This soothing multitasker leaves skin pure, clean, and free of toxins without stripping skin of its natural oils. So this retails for $18. Oh wow, like that's not bad at all. I do like Pur Lisse as a skincare brand though. It's a cute pink bottle. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. Like, oh, I'm really excited right now. This box is pretty awesome. And the last product is, oh well, I mean, Roche Posay Active C10. It's a brightening treatment. Okay, so it's a brightening treatment. The price is $49.99 for full size. This is like Barbie sized. Super small. They give you like all these awesome products and then just throw like one shit product in there. Hey, sorry. It was either this or a Shangri Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. I would have much rather had that, thank you. But overall, like, this was a bomb Allure beauty box. Alright, you're coming back, girl. I see you. I see you. You never disappoint me for too long. Just when I'm about to cancel, you draw me back in. Alright, let me know what you guys think about this box in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. I will see you next time.